As an example, in an organization, we're starting to see that as business conditions change faster and faster with each year, we cannot change our management hierarchical organization very fast relative to the changing business conditions. We can't have somebody working for a new boss every week. We also can't change our geographic organization very fast. Matter of fact, even slower than the management one. We can't be moving people around the country every week. But we can change an electronic organization like that. And what's starting to happen is we start to link these computers together with sophisticated networks and great user interfaces. We're starting to be able to create clusters of people working on a common task in literally in 15 minutes worth of setup. And these 15 people can work together extremely efficiently no matter where they are geographically and no matter who they work for hierarchically. And these organizations can live for as long as they're needed and then vanish. And we're finding we can reorganize our companies electronically very rapidly, and that's the only type of organization that can begin to keep pace with the changing business conditions. And I believe that this collaborative model has existed in higher education for a long time, but we're starting to see it applied into the commercial world as well. And this is going to be the third major revolution that these desktop computers provide, is revolutionizing human-to-human communication and group work. We call it interpersonal computing. In the 1980s, we did personal computing. And now we're going to extend that as we network these things to interpersonal computing.
Taking the long view now, what was the image of the computer in the mid-1960s or whenever you first saw one? And where are we now? How did the PC enact that change?
Right. I first saw my first computer when I was 12. I saw my first computer when I was 12, and it was at NASA. We had a local NASA center nearby, and it was a terminal which was connected to a big computer somewhere, and I got a time-sharing account on it.